Hi everybody, this is Edward, your favorite homeboy, and welcome to part 3 of the Compton Road series, where you've been following along in the adventure of me building my home, kicking my builder out, and taking over, starting a farm, living in the tiny home. This is our conclusion, where you'll see us just finishing up the outside of the house, like the driveway, the septic, and the front porch, footers, and doing all that. And we're gonna turn our attention inside with the wood floors, the drywall, and we're also going to be giving a tour of this tiny home, which we're in right now filming, but you'll see how the setup was when we were living in it. Lastly, you're also going to see how we transition some new farm animals in and find the new replacements for Hammy and Bakey. So if you've made it this far, really appreciate you watching the video and supporting this channel. Sharing is caring, so share this video link with anyone you think who would be entertained or is interested in building or just HGTV stuff. Share the video, like it, and don't forget to subscribe, and check out the rest of this video. Today's a good day, we got water. I'm just testing out to see how much water comes out of that pressure tank before power is needed. So basically I got a hose hooked up to my little splitter. So if we need to like wash hands or something or rinse dishes, we can kind of go from here. And then we have it connected to the outdoor faucet. That's in the on position. As you can tell, the handle's up. So that feeds into the pressure tank, which is inside the home, and anytime it goes below 40 psi it kicks on, and when it goes to 60 psi it kicks off. So I had it kick on until it hit 60 psi, turned off the breaker, and now I'm releasing the water until it goes down to 40 psi, and then the water will shut off. So I'm going to see how much water I can get out of one run of the generator. That way I don't have to keep the generator running all the time. Walk Here's finest processing facility. Took me about an hour to get here. Driving real slow and careful. And we finally made it. Just starting to rain. So I'm glad I got here before it really started to rain. There's rain in the forecast. Good old minivan. It's done everything for us. Let's check out this trailer. We're gonna back it up here, and then once we back it up, we'll release them. See how they're doing. All right, we got it all set up. Come on, Ham and Bakey. Let's go. Come on. That's it for Ham and Bakey. All right, I am bringing the trailer back to Whiffletree Farms. Mission accomplished with piggies, our first animals. So feels good. So thankful, praise God, that I got here safely, because that big old thing in the back, not fun to pull on a minivan. Hopefully in another week or two we get to pick up all the meat. He said it was about 300 pounds each pig. That's about what I thought. I thought it was hopefully a little bit more than that, but we'll see. Next animal will be chickens, so we'll see how that goes. All right, we just got the electrical dug underground by the red flags. You can see I was a little precarious around the corner of the house because when they started digging, the gravel started falling out, and they also broke the drain tile, so we had to fix that. I guess it was a good thing because the drain tile seemed to have a little dip in it, so it's hard for water to travel, so we kind of fixed that. But then so you notice they dug all this, they kind of went into this area, but as long as they don't dig, I think we'll be okay. I fenced that up, so hopefully Fairfax County doesn't say anything with their big mouth. So this is the trenching. It's about 30 to 36 inches deep, and this is where the pole is going to sit, right here. They left some extra wire. You need at least 40 feet for that pole. That's it. Yeah, baby. We're getting some nice sandy dirt for the septic field. We need about 20 loads. I got 10 already. Had to peek inside the truck to make sure it's good stuff because last time they gave me some clay stuff and that was no good. All free dirt, baby. I love it. That's number 12 total. I need 8 more, 20. So I can put it right on top of this field. What are you doing right now?
Our pig suite.
That's right. Look at all the coolers we got. We got one here, one there, one in there. Bunch of styrofoam coolers there. We're here to pick it up. All right, we'll see how much it weighs. All right, here we are playing with the Wackernusen. This is a free carnival ride. How you guys doing up there?
Awesome! Let's go!
All right, you want to come back down?
Yeah!
All right, I'm gonna take a picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, we finally got our garage insulation in. It's Tuesday night, the night before Thanksgiving Eve. We got all this glorious foam. I love my foam. Yeah, baby. Can I get a yeah, baby? It's a lot of work. We had to put drywall here so I had something to spray into. And so I had to get the drywall guys here. But then they said, well, we can't do it because we got all this drywall outside. We'll come out tomorrow. So had to pull some favors. This guy did a drywall just for that one section. Then you couldn't get the garage down because there was too many of these. So I had to get these guys to move it. So I get the garage down and it was still sticking out. I had to push it out with my tractor. Phew! A lot of things to coordinate. It's drywall day, baby. Let's get this party started. Got that ceiling all done in like 5 minutes. This guy's cutting. This guy's hanging, measuring. This is our insulation right here. We got the spray foam going on. Got down underneath that window. Up on top. Up on top. The insulation up on top here. All up in the garage, all up in these spaces. They weren't very careful, made it dirty on the floors. Not too happy about that because it's hard to come off. We gotta clean that up. There's the rest of the drywall. We're all insulated, ready for drywall. Got some drywall going up. This is my office. Hallway. Guest bedroom. We got the septic tanks. There's 2 of them. 1, 2. And go in that big old hole right there. There goes the first tank. Touchdown. Tank number 2. Good morning, this is Old McLouie, your farmer from Centerville, Virginia. What you're looking at is not a truck show, this is a contractor show. It's Friday, we've got a lot of work going on, a lot of trucks here, a lot of noise, and that's always a good sign. Today we're doing the septic field, finishing that up. And then after that, hopefully we can move all this dirt back on the field. We got some cleaners here, scraping the floors. We got a wood floor guy here prepping it. We got concrete floor guys. We got people doing the tile bathroom. And then we've got this guy here hooking up the propane to the house. Hopefully we get permanent heat today. It's a good day. It's a good day. Good Friday. All right. Old McLouie signing out. Well, we got all of our wood floors in. Heat's a little bit delayed, so we got temporary heat right now. All the wood seams, the floors have been sanded down on the seams to make it even. Came on a flatbed. Here's Glenn. Tile shower. You got more floors over here. More over here. Wi-Fi. Good thing we got that, because right now we don't have heat. Hopefully we can get heat by tomorrow. We'll see. One muddy mess to another muddy mess. We're burying our septic. Got approved. We gotta bury this, fix that. Doing work over here. Burying our septic field. A lot of burying going on right now. Right now we're digging 2 of the 3 holes. This is the 3rd one. Looks like a Pokemon. It's doing a big favor for me. Otherwise we'd be hand digging this right here. We never compacted the dirt, so now we've got to dig all the way down to the original grade, which is down at that level. Perfect. Huh? Yeah. That's a good foundation. Good footer. Now we gotta do one more right here. It's a good day because last time they came out and they dug about right there. And it was too close to the house and the gravel started giving way, and that's our foundation, so that was not good. That was a big scare. We had to fill in the holes and start further out. So now instead of a 5-foot deep porch, we're gonna have a 10-foot deep porch. And that's the way construction goes. Today is the special day. What happened today, guys?
We got dogs and chickens.
We got chicks, all right? And we also passed our house inspection, so we're celebrating. Yay! And this is the house for the chickens. We got water. Chloe, why don't you tell us about what we got?
So we got water containers so they can lap out of this, and then we got food container. Once they eat all this, the food will slowly drain down.
Okay.
And once we run out, we can always fill it up with this.
Okay, great.
And then chicks need warm light, so we have that. And then they will just sleep on the bushes.
Okay, all right. Tell me what birds you have, and then go ahead and put them in their new home.
So, I have siblings of the red Rhode Island.
Rhode Island Reds.
There you go. And then
Quieted them down.
I have one
Australorp?
Australorp. He's a fighter.
Let me see. Hi, Mr. Red Australorp. Okay.
And then my last one is this smaller chicken called the Bantam.
Bring it up close.
It lays smaller eggs and it's a smaller type of chicken.
Okay.
I chose the one with the stripes on its back.
All right, Sabrina, it's your turn.
You want to go first? Yeah. Okay.
All right, Josh. What you got, buddy?
I got an Australorp just like Chloe.
How's it look different? Can you tell?
Yeah. Look.
Make sure you hold the wings so it doesn't fly out, okay, Josh? You gotta hold the wings tight. Not tight.
See, this has white markings and this one doesn't on its head.
Okay, okay, good. All right, next.
Can you go, Penny? Next? Oh.
What else you got, buddy?
Duck.
All right, show me your duck. You remember the name of your ducks?
No.
Bring them all over here. All right, just pick one. Tell me which one you want.
Mine.
All right, bring it
the
out.
smaller
Put it on the
brown
floor. Go ahead and put it on the floor.
Here, I can
And then where should I put it?
Just put it on the floor
No, but where should I place
and
it?
just place it inside.
Now the new addition to our family.
Our second and third animals.
Getting the asphalt today. Our first driveway patch. Look at these goofballs. Very nice. They look like a kite. is day 2 of our duckies and chickies. They're all huddled together, sleeping and starting to stay warm. This is the setup. We got a little cage so they don't fly out. We got a little light, heat lamp. Sabrina, how you doing?
Oh, that's so cute.
We love watching these chicks. It's better than television, right? That's watching these guys better than video games, right, Josh? Yeah, so cute, so precious. This is the last of our tiny home adventure. Tearing it apart right now. We had a rack right here. Right when you walked in, this is where we slept. This is my office here. And Autumn had a rack here. This was her office. Our air conditioning and heat. Kids' room, kids' office, kitchen, shoe rack. Bye-bye, tiny home. I can't say I'm really gonna miss you too much. Living in the big home.
No. They had food in their dorm that they didn't open the door.
Come on, piggies.
When you look up, see, this is like human being. Do it again. You gotta get your feel.
There you go, good little cow. Truffle, look at him. Learn from him, okay? Hey, let me go around the other side here. Hey, what's going on? Hey, let me have some fun. These 5 months of construction took us from October to February, and the total project took 3 long years, 24 months to permit and 12 months to build. We finally received our occupancy permit in the spring of that year, and it was a welcome upgrade from our 240 square foot tiny home. Stay tuned for the grand finale where I'll take you through a personal tour of the finished home and our farm. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with those you love and those you hold most dear, because we want them to be our fans too. This is your favorite homeboy, signing out.